Hi friends, this video shows how to change microfiber head or refill of bucket spin mop. So here I am going to remove this microfiber head or refill from spin rod or stick. It's very easy. We just need to pull this refill like this. Done. So this way we can easily remove that microfiber head or refill. After that, if you want to connect, we can connect like this. Just press. Done. It's very easy. Let me show one more time how to connect it. We just need to put this refill like this on the spin rod like this, then just press it. Okay, done.